This is Haadi on Created by Haadi. Now, if you're watching this video, obviously you're wondering how much does YouTube pay? Because you want to start a channel you have dreamt about starting and you want to know if it's going to be as lucrative as you have anticipated it to be. So don't worry, not to worry, you're quite in the right place in theory, supposedly. So I'm going to break down the different niches that exist on YouTube and what you should expect. And also I'll guide you on how you can actually be able to derive this calculation by yourself. Isn't that right? Yeah. So subscribe to this channel and like the video and let's begin. Okay, so just to make things clearer, there are a couple terms I'm going to be mentioning throughout this video. One is called CPM and one is called RPM. Now, CPM is called cost per mile. Basically, that means how much advertisers pay YouTube or how much YouTube charges for that kind of ad for 1,000 times shown on your videos. Now, RPM means revenue per mile, and that's how much YouTube actually gives you because you see, the way payments works on YouTube is that the advertisers pay YouTube a certain amount of money. And when those ads begin to show in your videos, YouTube gives you a percentage of that money and takes the rest for themselves. Yeah, that's part of how YouTube makes their own personal cash out. So YouTube gets the CPM, and from that CPM, they derive the RPM and pay you from that. I hope that makes some kind of sense. Now, the RPM varies from niche to niche. And also, don't forget, RPM is basically what you should focus on because that is actually what determines your output at the end of the day. CPM is for YouTube and advertisers to worry about, not you. Yeah. So, like I said, the RPM varies from niche to niche. There is a different one for entertainment, for comedy, for technology videos, for how-tos, for DIYs, for educational videos, and for finance. Now, we're talking about a couple of RPMs, different ones, just so you could understand how it's gonna be for you. Because obviously, I don't know what your video or your niche is gonna be about, so I can only speak generally.
Alright, so these are a couple of high RPM niches. It ranges from finance to tutorial videos. Now, as for low RPM niches, they range from gaming videos, top 10 videos, scary videos, and pranks. Alright, I think we should try a real sense about how the YouTube earnings are. So let's check out this tech channel. This is waveform clips, and I use an extension called vidIQ that shows me how much a channel gets per month in terms of views. So there's a simple math we need to do to get the eventual calculation. We need to use calculator and get how many thousands of views there are. So now let's hit the arrow. Yeah, starts. Basically, this channel got 2 million views in about a month. So 2 million, yep, divided by 1,000. That's 2,000. This 2,000, we have to multiply it by the RPM we expect. It's a tech channel, so about $5. Let's say times 5. So this channel should make up to like 10,000 US dollars per month on average. Yeah. This is Clash Royale. This is a gaming channel. I don't think it's monetized though, but if it's well monetized, let's go back to stats. So this gets 377,000 views per month. Now let's go back here. 377,000 views per month divided by 1,000 again. That's 377. And we expect the average RPM of gaming channels to be like $1.5 because gaming is a low RPM niche actually. So let's say times 1.5. Yeah, so that channel will get about $565.5 per month if it's monetized, which I doubt it is. Okay, so this is an entertainment channel. Yep, sorry. And it gets about 14 million views per month. So let's go out to a calculator. Uh, 14 million Yeah, divided by 1,000. That's 14,000. And entertainment, probably like $2. Yeah, so you can get up to $28,000 a month. Yeah, that's crazy actually. So I think you should have an idea of how to calculate your earnings on YouTube now. Yeah. Tech channels get about $5 per thousand views, entertainment about $2, finance about $9, education about $6, lifestyle about 4, and ASMR about 0.25. I think you should check out finance. Let's say finance. Yeah. Okay. So this, let's look at this. Now this finance channel gets about 8.1 million views in a month. So yeah, divided by 1,000, 8,100, sorry. And now the RPM is about $9 on average. So let's say times 9. That's will bring around 72,000 dollars per month. That's crazy. So you can see how high finance rates are, yeah, and how paying they are. So that's a very good niche to be in. Anyways, I think this is enough, like real life checking and all that. So
I guess this brings us to the end of this video for today. Don't forget to drop any comments if you have them so I can address them. Yeah, I always reply your comments. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel and like the video if this was helpful. Yeah, trust me, I was once in this position where I didn't really have anywhere to find out how much YouTube pays, but I want to do this for every creator out there, especially the ones that are just starting out like me. Okay, see you guys in the next video. Haadi out.